Drink more beer.
All right, come on.
Maybe I can trade that Street 500 in for a three-wheeler.
That's the job I want.
Some people will have you believe that living in such a place like Guam, a small, isolated tropical island surrounded by thousands of miles of water in all directions, can be boring and mundane. We find it to be quite the contrary. Although living in such a remotely isolated place can be challenging for some, Guam offers us everything we need to fulfill a relaxing and comfortable lifestyle. And there's always something to do to keep us busy. In my last video, we visited the largest Kmart in the world to check on some food pricing and other things. A few days later, we found ourselves at the Navy's base exchange, where I was able to do some product matches with those same items that we found at Kmart. Check out some of these comparisons. Keep in mind, though, that these exchange prices can be even higher than commissary prices, as items found at the exchange are sourced separately from the Defense Commissary Agency's system. Food and consumable items found throughout the base exchange system should be thought of as convenience-level pricing. This will obviously be of interest to anyone who has access to base shopping. Military, commissary, and exchange shopping privileges are primarily extended to active duty and retired military personnel, their families, and certain veterans. This includes Medal of Honor recipients and veterans with a VA-documented service-connected disability, as well as their families. Midweek found us at the Micronesia Mall with the intent of finding a wireless microphone system. It's always interesting to head to the mall just to walk around and check things out. Hey, it's something to do. And for those who are looking for something to do, the mall offers weekly fitness classes and registration, including free Taekwondo classes on Mondays and Thursdays, free Zumba classes on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, free walking and chair yoga classes sponsored by the Guam Regional Medical Center on Thursday mornings. You can also find a weekend run registration offered by the Guam Running Club, as well as Sunday chess tournaments by the Guam Chess Federation.
I came to the mall to buy something. I made the mistake of bringing Terry with me. And she got lost.
So while Terry stayed lost in her pickup Zumba class, I passed the time by watching these young Taekwondo masters sharpen their skills. Watching them, it brought back memories of days gone by when I took Taekwondo classes when I was stationed here at the ripe old age of 19. Unfortunately, I never stuck with it when I returned stateside, but it didn't matter, because back in those days, if someone even thought you knew karate, they wouldn't mess with you. These days, I probably couldn't kick someone in the kneecap. One thing that helps fill out our routine here in Guam is once a week league bowling. We've bowled in this same league now for the last 12 seasons, and we always enjoy the camaraderie that we share with our fellow league bowlers, who happen to be mostly Filipino.
Drink more beer.
All right, come on.
Earlier in the week, we took Terry's car in for a scheduled oil change, complete with an all-points inspection, which determined that her right front brake caliper was on the blitz. So off to Napa I went for the part before giving Nissan dealer the go-ahead on a complete brake job. My wife goes through brakes faster than I go through Asian snack foods, and I can honestly say that while my wife has needed at least 3 brake jobs over her 34-year driving career, I've never had to replace brakes on any of the vehicles I've driven, ever. I just like taking things slow. The highlight of our week was an invitation to join some friends for lunch at the Subaki Hotel and Resort on Tumon Bay in Guam's tourist district. don't splurge all that much on eating at any of the hotel buffet offerings, but on occasion, it's a good change of pace. Personally, when we do hit the buffet, I feel like I need to eat my money's worth, and it always screws up my weight plan. The other drawback? There are no leftovers to be had for that late night snack. Although we do hit the resorts from time to time for a relaxing refreshment and a sunset. And because it was such a busy week, we decided to end it all with a massage at our favorite place, Tenjudo Spa. While prices might be up on just about everything around here, the price of a massage at Tenjudo has not changed. It's still $48 for a 1-hour shiatsu massage.
That's the job I want. Better than being a Walmart greeter.
And, like I mentioned earlier, I just like taking things slow. And this is as fast as I would want to go.
Okay, this is a 2015 Harley Street 500 with a dead battery. I'm going to check it out.
Heck, maybe I can trade that Street 500 in for a 3-wheeler. On second thought, maybe I'll just go home and work on my resume.
If you like what you heard,
and even if you don't,
won't you please,
pretty please subscribe. Well, I hate to beg and I hate to plead, but please, pretty freaking please.